dear friends. So let us see what the angels want to tell you. What is the message from the universe, or what they want to tell you about your current situation or about your person. So take a deep breath, take a deep breath and relax yourself. Okay, you have card number 1, card number 2, card number 3. So you can choose any one of the card that attracts you, that is attracting your eye. So concentrate, take a deep breath and concentrate. I will leave 1 second in the silence. I will leave this video for 1 second in a silence, so you can just deep and concentrate and choose the card number which you want. Okay, so I think you have now read the card number. So let's go with the card number 1. We're the one who was attracted to Jade. This is green crystal. So this is the angel feather. So let's see what's the message for you guys. You're so sensitive person. You're light brown. You're light brown in a color, not so fair, not so black, a light brownish. You have a potential to get whatever you want. Okay, you have a strength, you have a potential to get whatever you want. The problem is your lack of confidence. The problem is whatever you wish to do, you don't have confidence to do. That is the problem that you have. So believe in you and you will get whatever you want, whatever you need in life. And your parents are your guide. Your parents are the good guides. So listen to them and your life will be beautiful. Your life is quite rough. So the card number 1, people say that their life is quite rough. You got to give up on, you have to give up on the things instead of arguing. Maybe you have to sometimes compromise yourself instead of arguing with the things, compromise is the one good tips for you guys. Compromise in the things, then your life will be smooth. Your companion will be more arrogant. So the partner will be quite arrogant or short temper, something like that. But you just compromise with her instead of arguing with her, and then the things will go smooth. And you are a sensitive person, so you have a potential to do anything that you want in life. The only thing is you have a lack of confidence. So I suggest that every day you wake up, look at in the mirror and tell yourself that yes, I can do this and I'm the best, I can do anything I want. So keep doing this for regularly, and you can see the changes in your life soon, and you will be at the stage where you want to be. So practice this thing every morning you wake up, or when you sleep, or when you go. Speak to yourself a lot. Speak to the mirror. Stand opposite to the mirror and start speaking to the mirror, and that is the way you will start seeing the good things in your life. So let's go to the card number 2. One who was attracted to the black shirt. The center point, this is an angel's feathers. So I have an angel message to you. You are here today by your hard work. Your passion of living your life is the way you want. So whatever you want to way, the way you want to live, you will live your way. You will not listen to anybody or that kind of a person. But you are here today because of your hard work. So believe in you. You're caring for the people who need you is the right thing you do. So I think you're a very caring person for people who are in problem. Your smile can take away the people heart. Your couple will be quite good looking. Okay, she is soft spoken. She is reserved. She or he may be reserved. And they are mature. They will be mature. They can take you to the sky by their intelligence power. So your partner will be very intelligent, and they will be quite good looking with a small soft spoken, and they are reserved, mature, and with their intelligence they can take you to the sky to fly. Be with them logically, and what is that? So be yours is yours. Whatever yours is yours. So don't be jealous over your partner. I don't know whether you guys are jealous over your partner or not, but the angels say that yours is yours only. So don't be so jealous of your partner. Trust them, believe in them. You both can create a magical world. You both have good understanding. So the card number 2 people say that you're here today by your hard work and you have a good companion. Your person is very intelligent and good looking, and they can be the luck in your life. I mean, luck, lucky coin in your life. So believe in them. Don't be so jealous, and you have a good magical. You have a good magic. You both can create a good magical world, and you both have a good understanding. So this is so sweet. Okay, this is the card number 2, and let's go for card number 3. You were the one who were attracted to this crystal stone. So let's see what's the message to you guys from the angels. The angels feathers are there. You are the youngest son or the daughter to your parents. You have a mole in your back. I mean, like back of your bone. Like you can ask your parents or anybody. You have a mole there. Your couple will be younger to you, quite immature. Okay, you got to understand them as you do. You will love them more than ever. Your partner has a habit to tease people. I mean, they are very naughty, and you like their naughty and jokes. They do, they do. Okay, you have to control your angry. That is a message from the angel. You have to control your angry and correct your speech. Do not hurt people by your words. Okay, your partner will be, you are the youngest son or the daughter or the son. You have a mole on your back. That may be the lucky mole to you. So your partner will be quite immature. I mean, childish like that. You have to understand them, and you will love them more. And they will be very naughty kind of a person, making jokes. And if she's a girl, she'll be like teasing, making fun like that. If he's a boy, he may be like, telling you about the things around what is happening, and he'll be making you to laugh. So that kind of a person, that thing is good. So do not hurt people by your angry speech. Maybe you speak a little bit harsh to people, that hurts people. So correct your words, and that can give you more where it can lead you to having a group of people in your gallery to like you, support you. And speech is always the main thing, so correct your speech while talking. So let's see what is the guessing of the cards for the card number 1, 2, 3. What would be your couple look like, and what would be their initial? We'll just see. Chips here, so let's see what is the message from the universe to the card number 1 people from the universe, and as a message. So let's see what is the card that would resonate to your situation. So you have something here. Let's see it. Let's see what it is. Curly hair. Okay, is that what it was here? Life is not the way you want, but trust the universe. The things will be best. So life is not the way you want. So don't worry, believe in the universe. So the universe is going to give you the best. Okay, you have to trust in the universe. You have to trust in the God. So believe the things and do not give up the things. Okay, so for a moment life is hard. It will not be forever. So you have to believe in what what universe is trying to tell you. So your partner may be having a curly hair. I think this may resonate to some girls. I mean, if you're male, I think your girlfriend would be having a curly hair, or if you have had some ex-lover or something like that, would be resonating with a curly hair. Or maybe letter starts with M, L, V, R, S, P, A. This may be the letters that of your partner, that is M, L, V, R, S, or it is P or A, maybe the letter of your partner or girlfriend or your wife or husband. So what is another message? Their eyes, you both are married in the past life as well as in the current life. So you both are married in the past life, and if you're married now, she is your past life partner. Their eyes and smile is the both thing that you like more. Is it so? So just you may think about it. Their eyes or maybe their smile is the thing that you like more. And their letter may starts with the same thing. P, S, H, C. Same thing. Same letters. So let's see what is the card number 2. Couple, message for the card number 2 people. The message from the angels to the card number 2, and as well as the message from the universe. Okay, so many message. I think this one has been fall down, so hold on for a second. Okay, I'm just changing my and so that I can keep it here and I can read and so okay, fine. Your kids are the blessing in your life. The card number 2 people, if you have a kid, so your kid is the blessing in your life, or if you are going to have a kid, then think that they are the blessing to you, so that they may bring the luck and prosperity, or some sort of blessing you feel with them, and that is the blessing from the God or from the angels, from the universe, that they want to tell you that they are the blessing to you. Then the second card. So let's see what is another message to you. Traveling is the passion of your partner. Take them out. Okay. Traveling is the passion to your partner. If you're a boy, then the girl you love or married to, maybe she may be liking to travel now, or she may have a passion of traveling. It may be like traveling, going to temple, or it may be traveling to just traveling, going out, taking kids, or going for lunch, or that may be also something like that, going out for lunch. Or they may not be able to tell you, but to understand them and take them for out. Or maybe if it is a girl, I think if your man would be passionate about traveling, he would be liking to travel, maybe just even hang out or walk or something like that. So you can just try to talk to them and ask them that can we hang out. So just that is a message that you guys have. So let's see what's the card 3 say about your life. Okay, see, traveling, see, it's so resonating. I just told you that your couple is a passion of traveling, right? So the other card that is like from the universe is soon you both will have outing in the month of winter. Wait for them. What is that? Wait for them, maybe like if they are not taking you out, if it is a girl, it is a message to wait for them. Give them a space. They may be busy in the work. Wait for them. They may take you out soon in the winter time. That is probably maybe December time, maybe in the New Year time. You both are going to hang out somewhere. Their romance and their romance makes you to think of them more. Okay, if this is the card number 2 people, so there is a message that your person is passion of traveling, like maybe just going out or traveling or having lunch, or maybe going to temple, or going out the kids, as if there is a mentioning here as kids also. So kids is the blessing of your life. So traveling, so maybe you both like to you want your partner to tell that let's travel out. If you have a kid, you want your kids to travel with them. So you may be wait for them. They may be busy with the work, or if it is like a man, wait for your girl. She may be because of the quarantine, I don't know whether you guys are traveling or not. So this may happen in the month of winter. That may also be chance winter. Okay, so maybe because of quarantine you both are not going, so wait for them. And their romance is the thing that makes you to think of them. That is a message. So this is a lovely thing. soon you both will be hanging out in the month of winter. This is so lovely. And even you could see here in the card number 2, there was a message here that you both are magical, that you both can create a magical world, that you both have a good understanding. So this is a lovely couple. So lovely couple has a beautiful kid, or else going to have a beautiful kid. The lovely couple are passionate of traveling. The lovely couple may be traveling soon in the winter. So their romance makes you to think of them, or like kind of a beautiful attraction between you both. So the card number 2 is totally, I can feel this, both are the very happy, jolly kind of a couple, made for each other. As I said, you are married to soon. Maybe this is a past life partner. So let's go to the card number 3. What is the message to the card number 3 people from the angels, from the universe, from your spirit guides? What would be the message to the card number 3 people? What would resonate to them? So let's see what would resonate to them. I'm going to take these cards. Okay. Actually, okay, let's read. I'll just pass this one to us. Okay. They are naughty, funny. They makes you to remember. Okay, if your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your couple, like she's a male or a female, they're funny things. Maybe some kind of a funny things they do that makes you to remember them. See, as I told you guys, the card number 3, you are the youngest or the youngest daughter or a son. So you have a mole. Your couple will be younger to you. If it is it is probably matching to the female. Like if a boy is elder, the girl will be younger. Obviously, it is like a girl. If it is a boy, if it is like, if the girl is reading this message and if it is a boy, then your boy is immature, kind of a kiddish, kind of a person. So you like their naughtiness. Their funny thing that makes you to remember them. Sometimes you can think maybe like you may be thinking of that, you may be smiling or laughing. Recent breakup. You both it may be a recent breakup. You both would have went through a recent breakup, or you both have for some people it is a recent breakup. For some people, you both have good party time. So I think you both guys do some kind of party, fun, hanging out, something like that. So if this is for the card number 2 people, there may be a recent breakup, or in the past you might be both hanging out, something like that. Why did you break up, guys? So love letter may be starting with the KPSLMA, maybe R, maybe B, maybe the letter of this, maybe, for so many people, this may be the letter of the couple or the lover or the person you may be in love with. So let's see, I got another card also that came into my hand. Your partner is the center of attraction. What is that? They got dimple. Okay. Your partner may be a center of attraction. Their charmness, their cuteness may be like, people look at them and, they may be staring at them when they walk into the door or something like that. They have a dimple, or they may have a short hair. Maybe they have some short hair, or maybe a girl, it is a short hair. Or if it is a boy, he may be like trendy, short hair is a childish. It is showing as a immature, childish, or he may be having some half, short hair or something like that. Dimple. So obviously dimple people are very childish. Not childish, they are very naughty. You can say it as very naughty. they are naughty, they'll make fun, they will drag people, so the dimple people match to them. See how it is matching to the paper, to the note. Your partner may be the center of attraction, they may be good looking. You both always help people. You propose them in the summertime. So if you have met, you both have the helping nature, guys. You both are same alike. You both will help people, and I think you proposed her, or he proposed you in the month, or in somewhere in the summertime. So I just want to have some water. Let's just see what's the message. A last message. I hope if you guys like this, please comment below so that I can continue the reading in a better way, so that I can come up with a card reading or something like that, so where I can read the cards and then your past is waiting for your call, or your partner is waiting for your call. Why your mood swings often get switched? Have focused mind. So I think, see, it is resonating very clearly. Your partner is the center of attraction, okay? So you guys can match this card. There is a breakup, or there may be a breakup, not exactly a breakup, maybe you both are not talking to each other now, something like that, because of the naughty, because something went wrong or something like that. You both party together, they are very naughty, she's very naughty, you are very like their naughtiness, or she may be younger to you, or he may be immature or childish or something like that. So he or she is waiting for your call. So stop your I think you are very stick on to the mind, like, no, I'm not going to call them, no, I'm not going to message them, or something like that. So just ignore that, and have a focused mind and give them a chance, because you both can make a good pair. Your words is the harsh thing that hurt your partner or the people, so make correct of your words. This is for card number 3. Maybe you hurted them, and so they felt bad, or there may be a light breakup or something like that. Maybe you're not talking to them, or they are not talking to them. They are good looking, they attract the people with their charm, they are have a dimple, kind of naughty things, they do, like with their charm, like I don't know, I did very funny things. So that may be like you love them, but you have to give up your ego and focus on this speech, not to hurt them. Maybe you hurted them with your harsh words, so they just moved on. Now they are waiting for your call, so give up your ego and talk to them. So this is a message. So guys, if you just like this, then kindly let me know, so that I can come up with more messages, but not this, with something called as a tarot card, with a tarot reader, so, or else I can even help you out about your love life, or a married life, or any questions that you have, can kindly let me know, so that I can help you guys. Love you all. Thank you.